All right, ma'am, you ready?
I'm ready. Ready?
All right, so I'll say your name, tell everybody
And
to stand
then
up,
I'll
and then you
come
can
out.
come outside. All righty.
Yep.
All righty, everybody. Can we have everybody seated? The judge is going to come out right now. I need everybody seated. I need everybody seated.
No, all rise.
Ma'am, can you sit down? Ma'am,
It's all
I need
rise,
everybody seated.
not
The judge is
seated. They
about to
gotta
come out.
stand. They gotta stand. They're supposed to stand. Okay.
No, I already have what I need you to say. All good.
Lord.
I already talked to her.
Okay.
All right, everybody. Judge Chief Justice Boogie XR Esquire is now entering the room. Everybody, I need everybody to take a stand. Everybody, please take a stand.
All
Yep.
rise, everyone. All rise.
Everybody, rise up, please. Sir,
Okay.
I need you to stand up, sir.
All right. Thank you, guys. Good evening, everyone. My name is Chief Justice Boogie X Esquire, presiding over these proceedings for Tuesday, August 12th, in the year of our Lord and Savior, 2025. Now, I understand the previous judge has recused himself from this case. That means he has removed himself due to a conflict of interest. And so I have been asked to officiate this case. Okay. Um, you may now all be seated. Let's get started.
Goddamn. I thought I was sitting down. What the fuck?
Oh,
I told
Jesus.
them I was not sitting down. She would have knocked my shit the fuck off.
Sir, what's going
All
on?
right. So today we have
If you're
the
attending this
DA.
court,
If you could
yeah,
please tell
I'm gonna need
us
you to take a seat down,
the case
sir.
that the state is presenting today, just the name of the case.
That motherfucker gonna have to go back to the car.
State versus who?
Sir,
Mr. Tony
sir,
Montana,
take
ma'am.
a
Looking at me
seat.
like that.
State
Take a
versus
seat.
Montana is the
No,
case in
sir.
front of the court tonight. Now, typically, court cases happens in two parts. The first is the evidentiary hearing, and because I am new to the case, we will need to have this first part be the presentation of evidence. I would like to see what both sides are bringing to the table, hear any motions. The motions will set the tone and the rule of play for the trial. If we get through that today within a timely fashion, then we can proceed on to part two, which is the actual trial. Does everybody understand?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
All right. So I'm going to allow for the prosecution to come forward with opening statements not to exceed 1 minute, followed by opening statements from the defense not to exceed 1 minute. Then we'll get into the evidentiary portion. State, you may begin. Please state your name in full for the record, DA, and then you can proceed.
Yes, ma'am. You need me to come up to the podium or stay here?
Yes, yes, please.
All right, ma'am. I am Jose Hernandez Rodriguez. I am uh, representing Chicago today. Just want to go over the current charges we have, and then I'll go to the evidence. Charges for today for Tony charges are failure to provide identification, brandishing a firearm, possession of weed, weed with the intent to distribute, discharge of a firearm, identity theft, possession of a Class C, possession of a Class B, illegal attachment to a
Okay,
weapon,
Mr.
drug
DA, I'm
trafficking.
going to stop you
God
right there.
damn.
I'm going to stop you right there.
Go ahead.
We're going to get to that in the evidentiary part of the hearing, but right now I want to hear your opening statement. I need you to
All right.
craft me the narrative of the state's case behind him,
Y'all might
how
need to keep
horrible
that
of a
nigga.
criminal he is. What's the story behind this? And keep it to a minute. Tell me the story.
All right. The story today is the Chicago PD has been trying hard to keep the city at peace and at bay of any drug trafficking, illegal firearms, and keeping the city clean and safe, not only for themselves, but for the kids and the people living in Chicago. They try their hardest to keep that out. And
Mm,
today, this court case is here for Mr. Tony Montana. They have
Yes, the
found a
head of the
plethora of charges that goes against exactly what they're trying to do in the
I
city of
will I will
Chicago.
stop this conversation right here.
hold on, stop. There's
We
to be no interruption of
no, there will
opening
be all
statements.
interruptions because this needs to be heard in the court of law.
This is the court of
Where was
law.
the subpoenas for y'all surveillance? He
First
is
of all,
alleged.
why are you over there?
Chad, Chad, I don't know.
Get your Can you
Behind
please?
Sir, I need you to take a seat over there. If you don't, you're gonna have to be
And
taken
there
out
will
of
be
the room.
no
Okay?
interruption of opening
No
statements, or I
interruptions.
will hold you into
I can't
contempt.
see shit, so I'm
I'm letting
finna
y'all
block
know
and go back.
if anybody interrupts, y'all getting 30 months, no exceptions. So don't even
Oh,
try it, all right?
Oh, did you remove? Who are you?
Go sit your ass
Who
down
are
somewhere,
you?
man.
Who are you?
Hey, Troublefield,
Who am I?
Yeah, who are you?
I'm Lieutenant XG's with the Chicago PD.
Yeah, so
now
you
the
are
way
in
you be
collusion.
interrupting,
You are
I'm
in
about to be
collusion
an
with my
agreement
client.
with it.
Sir, I need you to go take a seat. If you're not gonna take a seat, you're gonna have to be
Sir, you
escorted
are
out of
not
the
my
room.
boss. Sir, first of all, you are not my boss.
I need you to sit down,
Sir,
sir.
you are not my boss. Please
Troublefield,
have
I
several
am your
seats.
boss, and go to the side you're
You are
supposed to
not
go
my
to.
boss yet. You can have several seats as well. I
I'm
don't know
holding
who the
him in
fuck you think
contempt.
you talking
Officer,
to.
go ahead and hold him downstairs for about 5 minutes.
Actually,
Thank you.
no. Please give me
We're
5
taking you
minutes
down,
to
all right?
pop my head. Oh,
Get him
actually, no,
out of
I'm
here.
good. Please uncuff me.
Take him downstairs. 5
Please
minutes
uncuff me.
time out for him.
Do I have the floor, ma'am?
And
like I'm
you,
going to
if you
jail
could
today.
please restart. Restart.
All right.
You can begin again.
So today we have Mr. Tony Montana. As I said before, the city of Chicago, the police officers here today, they try their hardest to keep the city clean, no drugs. They want to keep the city clean of drugs, weapons, not only for themselves and their families, but for the kids and the other families out in Chicago, in the city of Chicago and the state of Illinois. We have been doing a very heavy number of traffic stops, and we have noticed a influx of not only drugs but a heavy influence of weapons as well, and not just any weapons, but pistols to be exact, that are automatic. And in the state of Illinois, automatic pistols are very illegal, and not only that, but they are highly dangerous and can not only hurt others but children. Children is my main concern in the city. I like to see not yes, the children.
Listen.
Man, stop interrupting. Come on. Remember
I
what we
like to
said.
see this city grow, and I love to see not only
Chill out, Paul Blart.
I love to see the city grow. I love to see black people thrive in this city.
Don't
And the
start
fact
that
that
shit.
the fact that I
Don't
see
start that shit.
Yo,
the
what's
fact that
going
I
on?
see drugs
No
and
interruptions.
weapons on a daily
Go
in
sit
this
down,
city makes me fucking sick, ma'am. Sorry my language, but it makes me sick. And we need to put a stop and an end to this, because the more we see it, the more violence and the more drug violence is going to keep popping up in this city, and we're just going to keep going downhill and downhill and downhill. I think right now at this moment, Chicago itself is on the top 5 list for one of the most dangerous cities to live in.
Help us, Lord.
And we need to put a stop to that, ma'am. That's all I have.
Mm.
I don't know. The way you said black was kind of troublesome.
All right.
I
You
feel
can sit
targeted.
down, DA. Now we will hear opening statements from the defense.
My attorney is being held contempt.
The
You can
defense
bring him
lawyer
up.
had to
You can bring him upstairs now.
yeah,
You can bring him
he
back.
had to pop his head. He's coming back in a minute. He said
Okay.
his head was popping, so just give him a second. I'll go check on him. Bro.
All right. At this time,
Bro, wow.
folks, we can, if you need to eat, please do that at this time.
Yeah, make sure you black people eat.
Make sure I got that fried chicken.
Make sure you have your watermelon juice. You know,
Order in the court with the racist nonsense. Knock it off.
Well, if that's the case, get him up out of here.
that's what the DA said. He said
To the podium, sir, right here.
Okay.
He's stopping
Mr.
with the
Troublefield,
racist
we're looking
nonsense.
for opening
I feel
statements.
violated.
So me too, shit. Opening statements, you have 1 minute.
Your Honor, can I get briefed on what are we doing opening statements for?
What do you mean? What is your client's defense? What happened? This is the beginning of the trial, part one.
Okay, so first of all, who the fuck are you?
Who hired this
The
nigga, man?
Chief
Get him the
Justice.
fuck out of here.
Yeah,
Get him the fuck out of here, man.
Order in the court. Are you
First of
going to
all,
are you going to start your opening
first of all,
statements, or do
Judge
you
Mathis.
would you like
I'm going to jail.
to forfeit your
I'm going to prison.
opportunity to state your
Nigga,
case?
you ain't going to
No,
prison,
I
nigga.
would.
You going somewhere though.
Okay,
First
so
of
tell us
all,
what
she called
happened.
order
One
in
more
the court.
interruption
First of all,
and
she
30
called order in
months.
the
No more
goddamn court.
interruption in the 30 months. No more exceptions, bro. I'm not playing
Respectfully,
around.
it's not your choice. It's the
Sir,
judge.
you are not the judge.
And she's not either. Where is Judge Mathis?
Judge
She is the
Mathis
judge. What
has
are you talking
recused
about?
himself from this case. I am
Oh,
Chief
so did
Justice Boogie X
did you
Esquire,
review
and
all
I
my
am in
motions?
charge
Did
of
you
this.
review my motions?
Are you going to give us your opening statements, or are we going to proceed on to evidentiary?
No. First of all, I don't even know.
Oh my.
Can you introduce yourself? I don't
I
even know
just
who you
did.
are. I can see your bald headed ass walking down the street, and I wouldn't know
Oh my
where to
God,
your
bro.
ass.
Trouble Tia.
You have one of two
Stop
options.
interrupting.
You can give your opening statements, or
How
I
many
can
times do I have
give
to
it
fucking
back
say it?
over to the state so that they can show
You
their
just as loud as we
evidence.
are. Hold yourself in contempt.
All right, man. You're done.
All right, so
Come on, get
here's
up.
my opening statement.
Get up,
My
man.
name is Sinister Trouble
You can't
Kill.
hold
You can
me in
call.
contempt. Only the judge.
Hold the fuck up. I thought I had the floor.
Touch me, I'm suing.
Do I have the floor or not?
Okay, so let's get one thing straight in the courtroom. Hold on. Let's maintain our dignity. Now, Sinister Troublefield, I see that you have a certain way about you. I'm allowing it because that young man over there needs a defense. But I need you to walk easy
That's my
because
brother.
I will drain your fucking pockets.
Oh, I ain't got no pockets.
I will drain a
I'm
thought of a
taking this
pocket.
pro bono.
It doesn't matter. I will drain your fucking bank account.
He only got
Drain it. What Tokyo said? No.
And it is to my discretion
No. What
happens after
So
that.
Rocket.
What
Now,
that diamond
officer,
hoe, that diamond Kardashian said?
shut up!
Rocket.
Officer, the young woman is right. I'm the only one that is allowed to hold people in contempt of court. But
Shut your bitch ass up, nigga.
hold on, everybody.
I got your bitch.
I got your back, officer. If I ask you to hold someone in contempt, you are to get them the fuck up out of here. But I'll let you know for how long. You and I will work together to keep order in this goddamn court. Now,
Your Honor, at this time I asked for a 5-minute recess.
Opening statement.
I need a 5-minute recess.
Opening statement, or you
I
forfeit
need a
to the
5-minute recess because
5,
you are not Judge Mathis.
4,
and
3,
2 fucking 1. 2 fucking 1. You bald headed ass. I need 5 fucking minutes.
Officer, come and get him and take him downstairs for contempt.
Bunny, do you need to take over the case?
Oh my God, this nigga, bro. What the fuck is going on?
Bald headed ass. It's always the bald headed assholes who got the much to say.
CA Rodriguez.
Yes, ma'am.
I need a fucking 5-minute
Let's
recess.
begin the
All I
evidentiary
asked for was
report.
5 minutes. It took you longer to put that clueless ass.
Yes, ma'am. Let me just
Yes.
JP,
let me just get my paperwork together real quick.
Try 30.
You did better with me, nigga.
In the
Sorry, ma'am.
meantime, yes, in the meantime, Mr. Montana, as you can see, you
ma'am.
have chosen a very interesting attorney for your defense. Would you
can
like
tell you.
to bring in your cousin to be second chair in the case
Yes, you need to
Yes,
bring
ma'am.
Bunny in.
All right.
Yes, Your Honor.
I would need a venue.
Well, in this case of this emergency, if you could just,
Shut the fuck up talking to me.
step forward and sit in and take your spot.
I don't get to change.
The court
Yeah.
will
Just
is
to be
okay
next
with
to
what you're
me.
wearing right
Down.
now. This is an emergency. Just
Sit
come sit down in a chair, please. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Rodriguez, thank you for your patience. If you could please
Dummy.
remind us of the charges that the client is facing and the evidence that you have against him.
Yes, ma'am. The charges are very long, so you're gonna have to bear with me.
Let me
I'm
get
gonna
my
try to-
popcorn
Yeah.
ready.
All right. The charges today on Mr. Tony Montana
Jesus
are
Christ.
failure to provide identification, brandishing a firearm, possession of weed, weed with the intent to distribute, discharge of a firearm, identity theft, possession of a Class C weapon, illegal attachment to a weapon, drug trafficking, evading, reckless driving, weapon possession violation, narcotics-related loitering, gang loitering, and criminal threats.
God damn.
Jesus. The fuck?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
And go ahead.
What was found on his person that was illegal?
What was found on his person when it was illegal? Let me go through our evidence files real quick. What was found on Mr. Tony Montana was super exotic.
Oh.
And there was 7,646 bags. And keep in mind, one bag has 600. One bag has.
Overrule. Can I overrule?
Grim,
No, you
please.
cannot.
Let him finish. What the fuck?
I didn't have that on my.
Okay.
And someone
Continue.
take the handcuffs off of trouble.
Mr. Rodriguez, continue.
One bag had. So, my bad. Let me go back because he got me confused. We found 7,646,000 bags of marijuana, of super exotic. And
What?
keep in mind.
Wait a minute. Wait
Nigga,
a
make my
damn
butt
minute,
itch.
because I know you lying. How many bags?
7,646 bags of super exotic.
Buckle up.
Allegedly.
Allegedly.
All right.
Not allegedly.
But he did not take that off of me.
Okay.
And keep in mind,
else?
one bag has 764.6 grams in it. So that's a lot of math that I am bad at.
Oh, we know.
Continue.
We also found a micro Draco, a Glock with a switch, $1 million in dirty money.
Jesus. This is quite the bust.
And let me go back and look at the evidence again. Give me 1 sec, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Officer, you can bring Troublefield back.
Understood.
I do have evidence as well of body cam footage and pictures of him being taken from our officers. We got it's a 1016, I believe, which is a suspicious person. A 1016 on a suspicious person where Mr. Tony Montana was at the time. And when said officer pulled up to the 1016, Mr. Tony Montana was seen handshaking with locals outside.
All right, man. You may get up now, so you can
Do
get a
you
seat.
have the body cam footage here in court,
His
or
second
is
chair,
it,
Can you please mind your business?
or is it
At
only
this time,
in
Your
the
Honor, the
email?
defense would like to raise up objection because is there a search warrant that initiated this body cam footage
I
or
was
surveillance?
actually going to get to that. If you want to go ahead and start there, I would like to call Commissioner Jordan up to the witness stand.
I would like to call.
Your Honor?
I would like to call Judge Mathis to the stand.
Witness.
Matter of fact, can we go back to? Can we start this over? Let me
Can't
go
start
back
this
to my
first
opening
statement.
statements.
We can't start over.
Can we start over?
We can't start over. We're in the middle. We're already on the evidentiary part.
Your Honor, I got motions to dismiss. You know what? Carry on, sis. Go off, sis. Do your big one.
Okay.
Your
No.
Honor,
We can.
We will
Honor,
get to your
considering-
emotions if you can control yourself. We get there.
Your Honor, considering that the DA is attempting to call a witness, I do want to let the record show that the commissioner does not have the ability to approve a search warrant. Only a judge is able to do so. And
Which
if it
is
is
why I
not
want
in
to call
writing,
Judge Mathis to the stand.
unless
Okay.
there is a search warrant in writing, Your Honor, we are moving to suppress the evidence that was obtained
Fruit
by
of
an
the
illegal
poisonous
search
tree.
warrant.
There
She brings up
is.
a good point. Mr. Rodriguez, do you have a signed search warrant from the judge?
Yes, ma'am, we do. And it is
Can
in
you-
writing and emails.
All right.
Um,
Can
Is
you
it-
please
is it
enter
timestamped?
that into evidence?
I'm stamped, dated, and everything. Yes, ma'am.
And what date was on? You know what? Please present that.
Yep. Let me just go back and find it.
Okay.
Because on
Now,
August 4th, y'all had a probable cause slash dis. You know what? Y'all had a probable cause slash.
Warrant signed and dated by Mr. Judge Mathis,
Hmm.
2025 8/4 at 1826.
Please present that for the court.
all right. The warrant is
Ma'am,
being entered into evidence. The warrant itself is being questioned and it has been called into evidence.
Your
Now,
Honor, we
I
would
will,
also like to ask about the body cam for the search. There is reason to believe that certain evidence may have been planted, and if there is no body cam of the actual alleged suspect being searched, we would like the search evidence or evidence obtained from the search to be suppressed from that as well.
let's start one at a time. Let's begin with the
Let's
validity
begin
of
with
the
my
search
opening
warrant
statement.
first.
Trouble.
Can we
And
go with my opening statement?
Trouble, shut up.
You shut up, you bald-headed ass cowboy wearing hat motherfucker. You got a
Trouble.
white
Mr.
gaiters
Rodriguez
and a
didn't
black
tell you to
fucking
shut up.
shoe.
That was your client that told you to shut up. It
Oh,
wasn't
Please.
Mr. Rodriguez.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Rodriguez. So you know you
you
can get it
could.
too.
He racist though, so it's cool.
He is not racist. All right.
I'm
No
not
one
racist
in this court is racist.
at all.
Everybody
I
is
don't give a
fine
fuck.
here.
Nobody
Boogie
Now,
black ass shouldn't have worn a red dress
Yeah,
because
yes,
let me
it
go
ma'am.
shouldn't
there.
compliment her skin. I
We
don't
do
give
have
a fuck on what color you wear.
we do have the body cam footage of the full Tony Montana raid.
We're
It was
not
at
asking for body cam footage. We're asking for the warrants, the subpoenas,
And the
and that
search.
so of.
yes, the search warrant. Like I said, it was granted by Judge Mathis and it was signed and dated.
Can we see
Again,
that?
Now, has this been put into evidence? Can
yes,
you?
ma'am. It is into
All right.
evidence.
And is the evidence in the PD channel?
Yes,
The
ma'am. It is
emails?
in. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Is
So
this the
can
same?
someone
Is this the
bring me
same
to
email that they kicked me
those
out of?
emails?
Yes, it is the
Um,
same emails that we kicked you out of while you were going through government
Because I'd have made a
secret
whole
files.
case on you, you
Trouble.
bald-headed
Trouble.
asshole. You shouldn't wear a cowboy hat because
Your
you ain't a
Honor.
cowboy. You ain't Walker Texas Ranger, ho.
Officer,
You need to have a
Your Honor,
seat.
could you
officer, he got to the count of
Yes,
5.
ma'am.
Shut up. Wait a
Okay.
minute.
I'ma shut up.
One.
Shut up.
Stay right there, officer. When you hear me
I
start
told him this is
count,
his
you
last
know what to
chance.
do when I get to 1.
Yes,
Your
ma'am.
Honor, we're asking that the file not be sent as a screenshot, but rather the actual file so that we can verify the time and date of creation as well as editing.
Because, Your Honor, what I fear is the prosecution. No offense to the bench, they have been taking notes from Judge Mathis, bitch ass, who is probably sitting in the gallery, read all my motions, and now has decided to.
Trouble. Why is he
Hey,
squatted behind you like that? What is that?
you know
So y'all
what?
can see. So y'all can see.
Yeah, because he would have
What is-
sniffed my ass.
What is
No,
going
so y'all
on?
can see, bro.
Bitch ass.
What are you trying to see from that angle?
I said it so y'all can see it. I ain't blocking y'all.
Yeah,
Dumbass
only
niggas.
thing you was trying to see from that angle was my ass.
Oh God. Can we get back to seriousness here now? This is a very serious charge that you are levying against this fine police department. You are accusing them, in short, of
Of
large
collusion.
scale collusion and corruption, which would
Correct.
basically make this case ineffective and unprosecutable. Are
Correct.
you
Just
saying that?
asking
Are you
to-
trying to get this case thrown out completely based
Correct.
on?
If you would like to
Trouble.
start with my motions, we don't need to have an evidentiary hearing.
If you
We can definitely
control
start on your
yourself.
motions. If he wants to start on his
Do
motions,
you even
ma'am,
know how
we
to
can
write a
start.
motion?
Okay. Now, Troublefield, I am happy to review your motions, or I can large scale deny all of them. It is contingent upon your ability to control yourself so that we can get through it.
When it comes to my brother, I hold no bounds. I love my brother to death.
Well, then, if that's the case, then let's get through it with our dignity. Now, the DA has agreed that we can go, he's fine with suspending his turn, and let's go in through your motions. Let's start with the first
Okay.
one. First motion,
Okay.
what are we looking at?
Hold on, give me a second. Hell, I dropped so many. I don't even know what the first one is at. Hold on. Shut the fuck up. You don't even know how to write a motion.
Please.
I wish this was more organized, or I would be here sooner. My first motion is to dismiss all charges. I said
Okay.
charges.
A- And under what grounds?
The judge was biased.
Evidence?
The judge's emails. The judge's IC emails were not in a private space, and he accidentally revealed his intention and his bias towards my client, Your Honor.
The
All right.
judge
I do not
himself
have
said,
that. Can someone present that evidence, please?
"All right, I will drop that. Give me 2.5."
And if you can read aloud for the court the emails. How was this? How were the private emails of a sitting judge leaked to the public?
They were not put in a private place, Your Honor. They were held in a more public platform. He listed my client by name, as well as referenced the case and his potential doings. Um, it was a more open email, so to speak.
Right. Can someone, is the judge here?
Probably not.
If we could, if the judge does arrive, we would like him on the stand as well upon arrival, if possible.
All right. I will agree to that for the purposes of this hearing to understand if we can and should proceed any further. These are very heavy allegations,
The
and we would
judge
hate.
himself said, "I would like y'all to hold off on more evidence until we can build a stronger case. If that is not impropriety in itself, you got me fucked up. If you come for my brother, you come for me."
Your Honor, the message, I'm sure Mr. Troublefield will be sending it over shortly, but for a judge to step outside of his role as judge and essentially assume the role as prosecutor to say that he wants to build a stronger case against someone shows bias in and of itself, Your Honor.
All right. I'll allow a short recess. Present these emails to me that was in a public space that was open to anyone to see, and also bring me the judge. He must answer for this.
He ain't gonna be here.
Can I get a skin menu?
Ooh,
Ooh, child.
5-minute recess.
Please, God.
Yeah, officers, come here.
Officers, if y'all could please, if someone can please get in
Who can-
contact with the judge if he's available and see
Yeah, I'll try.
if someone can, if he can come and answer this question so that we can proceed. I'm
I'll be
sure
back.
he's not guilty of what they're accusing him of, but we
Yeah.
just need
All
to
right, I
talk
got
to
you.
him, okay?
All right.
All
All
right.
right.
Hey, I need to talk to all the officers. Everybody going with.
Lord of mercy.
OG.
All right, I'll be in chambers.
Let me go. I don't
Come
know
on,
what's
Rissa.
going on. I'm coming. Oh,
Get your bitch ass out of the way.
oh, you talking to me?
No, I'm talking to.
I'm sorry. Oops, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Excuse me, officer.
Your Honor, I have
It's a
now
family
dropped
situation. It's
the
between us. It's
evidence.
between us.
Oh, Jesus. Okay, so, all right, I need to find out where we're all. So
Wait,
I'm new
do
to
we need
this,
an
of
officer in here?
course. I'm new to the
Yeah,
case.
so make sure
The
y'all
other
see-
side should be
Oh,
in
yeah,
here
we
too.
good, baby. Thank you.
Where's the prosecution
No,
side?
keep stay here. Stay
Oh,
here, bro.
there you go.
Stay here.
If
Stay
you
here.
could get the DA so that we're not having conversations without him.
Hmm.
Hey,
Yeah, Travion, you could just Yeah, just sit back on the
Where's
chair,
the
just
DA?
watch,
Hey,
and
officer, where's the
I'm gonna
DA?
start sending you things of what we need to do since we're running the court, like
Send
things what
me
we
in.
need to do
Hey,
when we come
friend.
in.
I
We'll
didn't even know that
What's
we'll
was
up,
you,
come in.
friend? How
friend.
you doing?
Okay, sorry. I didn't mean to interrupt you and your boss.
Oh, you're
Continue.
good. Yeah, I hear you. Yeah,
Ooh,
I'm
We
a
will not
watch.
have any
what?
communications until the DA arrives because we don't want any more allegations of ex parte communications.
Now, Troublefield, knock it off. I need you to let us get through at least the process. Stop interrupting so much.
I don't even know who the fuck you is.
That's the DA. Shut up. Oh, is that Travion? You talking about Travion or the DA? DA?
No, he's talking about me.
I was talking about
Oh,
the judge. Fuck a bald headed
Monday,
ass.
I am the Chief Justice,
Where's
and
the
I'm a
DA?
and you need to
cause you,
respect it.
yeah, cause when we go home, you already know what's up. Talking to my cousin like
So
that,
you
that's
needed the
crazy.
I
DA.
don't give a fuck
Oh,
about your cousin. I'm defending my brother. Fuck you,
All
fuck your
right, I think we
judge.
got everybody here right now in chambers. We want this case to go smoothly.
I don't mean to
Everybody
cut you
needs
off,
to be
ma'am, but
allowed
if
their. I'm sorry, go
am I,
ahead.
am I supposed to be in here? Someone said they needed the DA.
Yes,
I don't
Yes.
want
yes.
to. Okay.
I don't want
No,
to have
no more
any
ex parte
conversations without
communications.
everybody being present.
mhm.
Okay, so this is, we're in chambers now so that we can, usually when we're called into chambers, we're setting the rules of play. Now, I've seen a lot of stuff so far that I don't like, mainly coming from you, Troublefield.
Mm.
Now,
Chuck, you just got on the bench. Please
where's your
have
second
several
chair?
seats.
Where's your
I
second
don't
chair?
need the second. I'm the first, second, and third chair.
Well, kept getting held in
You,
contempt.
your brother's about to fire you in a minute.
He ain't even paid me, so I don't give a fuck.
Now, we want to make sure that he receives your expertise, not your mouth and lip and contempt. You are the
Hmm.
best in the
Hmm.
metaverse. But
Mister, shut the fuck up. You just
we
a
need
clerk court.
we need that person to show up so that you can defend your client. They put the best on it for the state. Mr. Rodriguez is
Yes, he's
quite
the clerk.
formidable in his own right, and we want a good match.
And we are yet to see the search warrants or anything that
Now, if
you
you
know what?
allow us to get to that point, we will.
Let's
But
go.
if we have to keep stopping to have
I'll
these
be
Mm.
fine.
conversations, it's a
I'll be
problem.
fine.
Now, I need to be put into a space where I can see the evidence. And then going forward, we'll have a more unified or cohesive approach to all of this. But for now, um, Mr. Rodriguez, if you could allow me into the PD Discord,
Yes, ma'am. I can do that.
I'm going to go into the general chat for Chicago. I'm going to drop a dot.
Not y'all having ex parte communications. If the judge is allowed, I should be allowed. I want to see everything you drop to the judge.
You will see everything. I'm going to put it into the channel for everyone to see for both sides. Okay? You know
Okay,
how,
go off, sis. Do
this
your
is
business.
reality court. You have everything organized. Okay, so you see me in there, Mr. Rodriguez?
yes, ma'am. I'm adding you right now. Give me a sec.
Perfect.
Now he wearing crocodile boots instead of
Now, the
alligator.
first thing that we
Alligator
need,
is in season.
what has been brought to the attention of the court, is the validity of the search warrant. Were you able to get in contact with the judge, the previous judge?
Y'all run to the gas station, guys.
All right. I just
Can
sent
you
it to
go
your
and shout
emails, ma'am.
Thank
or
you.
louder?
Got it. And I've accepted your request. Thank you. Thank you. Now, were you able to get in contact with the previous judge?
The previous judge, I
Right.
I gotten. What was I needing to get in contact with him for again? I'm sorry.
To
We
show
wanted
his
them
ass
to
on the
appear
stand.
at in court to see to answer some questions regarding the validity of the search warrant, his
What,
signature,
what do y'all
and
need? What do y'all need? What do y'all need?
Are you the judge?
I'm the judge.
okay, there
Oh,
you go. All right, so
oh.
don't say anything here. When we go back inside, both sides will talk to you about the search warrant, how it was executed, and so on and so forth. Everybody will ask their questions in a public setting. I just wanted to have you here because they have questions about the validity of it. If it is found that the search warrant is not valid, then what happens is the case is thrown out because everything that comes after that is fruit of the poisonous tree. Or if you were found to be acting as a prosecutor or positioning yourself as prosecution or siding with the prosecution, the case is thrown out. Does that make sense?
Yeah,
This
that's
is Judge Mathis, correct?
yes.
Okay. I just making sure.
Okay.
Well, everything is thrown out. Thank you for Judge Mathis
Now,
for showing up.
If
Your services are no
now
longer
if
needed.
everything is thrown out, I'm sure that with the amount of shenanigans that's going on, we will be here again within a day or so.
We will not.
We
We
will never
dismissing all
take
charges.
we don't take
Trouble.
justice lightly. This is how many
Okay, there you go.
felonies that we're looking at
to your
here?
face?
17?
What's wrong with my face?
Sounds like a
Allegedly.
blush.
About 17
Look, I'm doing my
felonies
best,
that
okay?
he's
I'm
being
doing my
Yeah,
best.
accused
yeah,
of.
okay. And I love you. I love you, sister.
Now, are we all ready to go back in?
Can I start my opening statements?
No trouble.
That was your part. That was your bad.
You know what?
That was
Ain't
definitely
you
your
ain't you
bad.
second chair?
I
Please
am,
have a
but
seat in the
look,
secretary.
not too fucking
Please
much.
have a
The
seat
way
in the
you
All right,
secretary.
let's go back in.
chair.
We're ready.
Jesus Christ.
Shit,
I
you
do
can't
need,
even
like-
Come
fire
on, Mr.
me.
Rodriguez.
Shit, you didn't even want the
I
first chair.
excuse me,
Please
ma'am. I
have
need
a
like
seat.
3 minutes real quick
door.
to talk to the commissioner to give you access to the email so you can see all the evidence. Because right now I can't. Yeah, right now I don't think.
I'll make
Okay.
sure. I'll make sure.
Because I need to add her in the evidence in the email so she can see
Yes,
it.
Twizy.
Okay. Now, Mr. Rodriguez.
Yes, ma'am.
So always remember, as DA, you can always file indictments for whatever charges. If you guys lose this case, you have the ability to charge again for whatever you find. Just make sure it's a clean charge, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
This court is always interested in justice. I don't care who it is. It could be my mama. I'll throw that bitch under the jail.
Yeah.
This court doing some bullshit, she will face justice. So if we find anything that gets this case thrown out today, dig through. Look for what you can indict for, things that you can't, leave alone. Move on to the next case because this looks like an ongoing story. I'm new here to all of this, but from what I'm seeing, you guys got a lot of crime here.
A lot of oxygen.
Yes, ma'am. And that's what I'm trying to get rid of.
All right. After this is over, let's have a discussion about how I can be of service.
Yeah, Judge, please take this shit off my hands. Just listen. When I tell
Now,
you, first, them
did
trying
you
to
write
build a
that
court.
email?
So it was executed. The only thing I was doing, about to speak OOC.
Don't speak OOC. Make it
Yeah,
work.
never mind. Never mind. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So then we'll handle it on the style. We'll RP it up. All right. We about to get this roly poly in.
Yep.
Alrighty.
Alright.
Does she have access to see the?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, give me 2 seconds.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we good. Oh, trust me, bro, we fam.
Oh, sis, you
Are
okay,
you
sis?
cross-examining?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the direct examination of the judge
What is
if
going
he's here.
on over there?
Okay.
Unless you want
Take a
to.
seat.
If you got it, you got it. I
Oh,
know you
I got it.
Who this is? Who this
Alright.
is standing right here?
Don't forget. Hey, they need to
Uh,
produce not only the search
that's
warrant,
Grim, sit
but they
down,
need to
Grim.
produce
Sit down, Grim.
the
All right. Are we
full
ready, my
body
loves?
cam of the search.
Grim,
My
sit
loves,
down.
are we ready?
So it doesn't matter about the judge testimony. They
Nah,
don't produce
DB,
both.
that's my people. You straight.
You already know.
Clocking,
You straight.
clocking,
We've already asked for it.
You straight,
We've
yeah.
already asked for
You
it for the
straight.
judge. So
clocking.
Okay. Now, if I have to hold someone in contempt,
Yarna, can you go
it'll
and shout?
be. Oh my bad.
we need a copy of the MDT wherever that is with the charges and everything that they're alleging was on his person. We need a copy of that.
Mm-hmm. Cause that's not it.
Alright.
Child, this is a shit show.
Now,
Yana,
going
can you go and
forward,
shout?
I'm gonna tag you where that is.
going forward, I am new to this city, as we all are. This case was thrown into our lap. I think grace is needed for all parties while we get acclimated and get an understanding of what's happening.
This is
All
not
tech,
Gracie's Corner,
all
Your Honor. This is a
technology.
courtroom of
I am
law.
talking.
I don't give a fuck. I
All
said what the fuck I
technology
said.
is going to be used as it is provided to us, but for right now, we're all human beings. We know how to communicate with each other. If there are any charges to be known, we can simply ask. DA, can you please clearly and succinctly reread the charges that Mr. Montana is facing before we continue?
Jesus Christ. Y'all make me feel like a criminal.
You are not a criminal. Please shut the fuck up.
I'm paying you.
You ain't paid me yet. Please shut the fuck up. Don't
Trouble.
piss me off.
Trouble.
Niggas still
Trouble.
ain't get a
I'm gonna
price.
take you outside. I'm gonna
Alright,
take you
again,
outside right now.
the charges for Mr. Tony Montana are failure to provide identification, brandishing a firearm, possession of weed, weed with the intent to distribute, discharge of a firearm, identity theft, possession of a Class C, possession of a Class C weapon, illegal attachment to a weapon, drug trafficking, evading, reckless driving, weapon possession violation, narcotics-related loitering, gang loitering, and criminal threats.
Your Honor, we would like a copy of all these charges, as well as we
A
still haven't
former
received.
written.
We still haven't received a copy of the search warrant directly from the file instead of a
Or
screenshot.
a formal written indictment.
That as well.
Thank you, Mr. Rodriguez. You can now take a seat.
You can have several seats. Wearing
Now, the
crocodile
defense,
boots
you
when
have a full listing of the charges that Mr. Montana is facing. Right now, what we're doing is we are trying to determine if this case can go forward or not. So once we get past this, we'll know if it's moot or if we're moving forward. Now, I understand that the judge is here. Judge, if you can come forward, please, and take the stand to my right or my left, as you so choose.
What that nigga standing up for?
It's nice to see you again, Judge. Can you please state your name in full for the record?
Judge Greg Mathis.
Now, Judge Mathis, do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you, GTA gods.
I do.
Say that again.
I do.
What?
Judge Mathis.
I do.
I do. Okay.
please go
Judge
and shout.
Mathis, could you please make sure your microphone is turned up to
I'm
the
good.
highest
I'm
setting?
good. I'm good.
Thank you. Judge Mathis, the prosecution and the defense has a few questions for you. We're going to start with DA Rodriguez. Mr. Rodriguez, can you walk us through the obtaining of the warrant with the judge?
Yes, ma'am. Let me pull it up 1 second.
Issue in these alligator boots with this cowboy hat. You got boots on the ground, having asshole. Where them fans at? Yes, they in the gallery.
All right,
So you
ma'am.
ain't gotta
All
earn
right, he's
or
talking
beer.
about trouble. Let him talk, please.
At 8/4/2025 at 18:22, Commissioner Jordan messaged Judge Mathis saying that he would like to get a search warrant, and these are the charges that he has for him and his property. The reason why they asked for the search warrant is because said person, Tony Montana, fled from the scene.
Objection. Do we have the search warrant on record?
Yes, search warrant is on record.
Your Honor,
Your Honor,
a chat
can you confirm?
message isn't a search warrant, nor is a
Now,
chat
hold on,
message.
guys. Hold on, guys. We're trying to ascertain, we're trying to find out if what he's talking about and reading was put in a public forum and if the judge acted in a prosecutorial manner. So you have to let him finish what he's saying. He's giving background as to what happened. He'll either prove your point or he won't.
Just
Oh,
want to
Give him-
state something. Just want to state one thing real quick. In this city, unfortunately, we don't have the ability to have hard copies of paper in the city.
I know you fucking lying.
But
I
but
know
we
you
do
fucking lying.
we do
Do it.
use emails and MDT, and it is all documented.
Mhm.
So as I was saying, Commissioner
Have a
Jordan.
seat. Have a seat,
Trouble,
DA.
trouble,
Have a seat.
trouble,
No,
trouble.
no.
Trouble, please.
Bunny,
Trouble,
be quiet.
please.
DA, please
5,
have a seat.
4.
Former judge, or however I should address your
It
ass.
is not your turn to ask him a question.
Bro, if you don't go sit down, fucking Black Forces on.
Oh my God,
Black
yes.
Force mean fucking business.
It's
Now
not
she
your
trying to
turn.
dress like me
I'm
every
working
time
on
I come to court with your little bitch ass. Looking like a half-ass
Don't
T. Lou
say
Drake
that
looking
out
ass
loud. Email
motherfucker.
me
4.
or text me. Don't
All
say it out
right.
loud. Text me or email me. You know my number.
Continue, Mr.
You know what's about to
Rodriguez.
happen in a minute.
All right,
Sit down. I need
again,
you to sit down.
Chill out. I got it.
I'll
I got
read
it. I'm here.
and state everything that is in emails, and it is visible for you, ma'am, and both the attorneys for Mr. Tony Montana.
Okay.
8/4/2025, 1822. Commissioner Jordan says, in those as if now we got it, discharge of a firearm, illegal possession of a firearm, not registered, drug trafficking, 19102 Grove Street, sir. I will sign off a search warrant of his home to see if you find anything. Judge Mathis at 8/4/2025, time 1823. Warrant was signed off at that time, and at 1 second, at 8/5/2025. This happened the next day. So at 8/5/2025, at 11:32, a full Tony Montana body cam footage was posted in the emails, and it is a 6-minute long body cam footage
Okay.
of the whole raid and everything that was found in said raid. Now, I do have a question. Mr. Judge Mathis, as you said before when you came up to oath, you did solemnly swear to tell the whole truth and the whole truth but help you GTA gods, correct?
I did.
So did you or did you not sign off on the search warrant?
I did.
All right, ma'am. That's all I have.
All right. Troublefield and second chair, DA Say.
I
I'm sorry,
don't need the second
defense say.
chair. Your Honor, I got the floor.
Ma'am, can you please just take a seat?
You do?
Just so we have this organized.
So we're gonna start off with the
With the silence. What happened?
Yeah, there we go. Moment of silence.
Ma'am,
Not too much.
Moment of silence
That's
for
much.
the murder that's about to occur because Trouble's about
Y'all
to
can
cut
hear
this
me?
shit.
Y'all
Now
can
we
hear
can
me?
hear you, yes.
On 8/4.
No, we can't hear you.
Can y'all hear me now?
Yes.
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 The commissioner of police said, I am trying to apply for a raid on any of the suspects. Your Honor, did you get a search warrant? I repeat, did you get a search warrant, yes or no, from the judge? Signed by the judge. Requested by the DA. Yeah, sip that tea. Sip
I'm
that tea.
confused. Who are you addressing?
I'm not addressing you because you clearly not on the stand as a judge.
Your Honor, I would like to objection real quick.
Overrule.
Basis?
Trouble.
He's questioning you. Am I wrong or?
I
No,
thought
he's,
he was
he's questioning the Judge Mathis.
That's what I thought.
I don't
Who are
know
you
what
questioning,
you're talking
Troublefield?
about.
Y'all not understand.
I'm questioning the former Judge Mathis on 8/4/2025. Please read your exact statements that you wrote in that email. 1713. You were tagged by the commissioner. Please read it. Please read it. It starts with, I am trying to apply for a raid. Please read that full email.
Wait, you're
I'm
saying
trying
that
to apply for a raid.
I want possible raid is the thread. I am trying to apply for a raid on suspects we have so far in red flags.
Mm-hmm. You're right.
Please read that full email in its entirety.
He said, I think we can aim for Blank
No.
and Tony.
You know, reading is
Blank
not
and Tony.
You had an IAP. I can go ahead and tell you had an IAP. I told you to start at the top of the email for the possible.
My first message
No,
wasn't
I was
wasn't
not.
until
First
after
of
that.
all, I was not finished talking. On the
You
possible raid,
told me to
on the
read it.
Your Honor, the witness is not cooperating with the instructions given by
Your Honor,
the
permission to treat
attorney.
this witness as hostile.
I would like permission for everyone to have clarity. There's a lot of
You
over
check-
talking
You
happening.
check your
You
emails
asked
It's
me
not
that.
over talking. He has an
I
IAP and he can't
Check emails.
understand.
I'm gonna check now.
Hold on.
Okay. Oops,
You
sorry.
you're asking me to read what I said. My first
No,
message.
I'm telling you to read what the commissioner tagged you in on the possible raids thread
Why
on
can't
August
why
8th.
can't you read it?
So I
Your
want
Honor, the witness is not cooperating yet
Your
again.
Honor, permission to
Judge Mathis,
treat
if you
this.
could please just do us a favor and read what is there.
The
It
message
says
you was tagged in.
It's clear.
evidence. It
it's
says
all the way
evidence.
it's all the way at the very top of possible raids, Judge Mathis.
So
Uh,
he's asking me to read something from a private email.
Is it really private? Because did you read my? You know what? There's a
And
reason why you sitting on this stand and not on the bench.
and every member of the community see what's in here.
Your Honor, it doesn't matter if a email is private. It has come to light now, and it does show possible corruption. So the privacy of the email does not matter if we are calling into question the.
If I'm correct, she asked how was it leaked to the public.
It was not leaked. I was actually. You know what?
You
Wait a
accidentally
minute.
added someone to an email.
Buddy,
It
take over.
happens.
Buddy, please
Everybody
take over. Buddy,
in
please take over.
chambers now. Everyone in chambers now.
Because this motherfucker got a whole IEP. I see why you had
Oh my God.
three.
Trouble,
Your lunch
please.
lady was your fucking bus driver. And
Well, I mean, yeah, I don't know.
Court is in recess for
Judge, do I
5
have to go in?
minutes.
and we don't want to talk about
Say again?
I said, do I have to go in or not?
Please don't lock
Yes,
the door
please
on
come
us.
in because we
Alright.
might need
You
you.
guys stay out and make sure nobody's on stupid. Hold on for a second.
Trouble,
Yeah.
please. Trouble.
The door locked by itself.
I got you. Yo, geez, why you in here?
All right, everybody,
give a
calm the
fuck.
fuck down.
No,
Trouble,
Everybody.
please.
What the
Fuck,
fuck?
Oh, let
don't
me
talk
see,
about my
let me
throat,
There's
but
only
your throat
one
looking like
way.
it's looking.
There's only one way that email gets read publicly, and that's if it was in a public forum, not if someone's accidentally added in and so on and so forth. Might I give you reference to what's currently
I object,
happening
Your Honor.
in
I object, Your
our?
Honor.
Let me
I
finish
object.
what the fuck I am saying.
Go off, sis. Do your business.
Thank you, brother. Now, might I bring to everyone's attention what just happened with our current president and a reporter being let into a private meeting that he had no business being let in. Now, wow, the world got to talk about the private person being let into a very private space that was an affront to national security. The public still did not have access to the notes of that meeting. The same stands here.
I
But what we
object, Your
will,
Honor.
but
I
what
object.
we
If you,
will,
I object. I
but
object. Now you let me talk.
overruled,
I object.
overruled.
No,
Wait,
I'm
But
not
what we
overruling.
will,
yo,
get
I'm
him up
you
out of
not.
guys.
here.
You know what?
Get him
I
up
They
out of
said
here.
to go
myself
on. They
up
said
out
to
of
go on
here.
whisper. They
But
can hear you outside.
Bunny, take
Oh
over.
shit.
Cause you got me fucked up. You bald headed,
Oh!
stupid
Get him out of here,
asshole.
motherfucker.
Oh my
Get
God.
him out of here.
Well,
That's
Oh,
why
Arrest
your
his
legs ain't
ass.
showing.
Arrest his ass.
Get the
Get
fuck
him.
out. Get the fuck out
Arrest
of
that
my way.
motherfucker.
oh,
Oh shit! Don't shoot him! Jesus, I didn't shoot him. Why y'all shot
Get
him?
him. He hit the judge. Hit the judge. Get him. Get him. Get him.
Oh my God!
I just got punched. Assault. I just got punched.
If we whoop his ass real quick, will we go to jail?
Your Honor, I just got punched by an officer. I just got punched by an officer by standing still and being black.
Look, I need you not
Come here.
not to fucking
Not
touch
you.
frog
I'm
face
sorry,
ass.
Judge.
Calling people black with a hard B. Can we get let out of here?
I need to get taken off of
chill out.
cuffs.
Stop crying and
Figure it
sit your
out.
ass down,
Just
Mr.
assaulted
17
him.
fucking felonies.
How
You
did he
need
end
your
up in
ass
cuffs?
punched in the
How did
fucking
he end up in
face.
cuffs in the first
Sit your ass down over
Because
there.
he likes to change and whips his
What
psychic.
do y'all officers is in handcuffs in the back? Y'all might want to go help your partner out.
The muscle flex.
Right. Bunny, please take over for Troublefield. I think he's gonna be taking a long walk real soon. You're gonna be defending him real soon. Let's go back and finish this conversation. All right. So
Quick
now
thing,
is that
Hold on. Let me stick mine to cuss real quick.
Where are we? Okay.
Okay,
I
Hold on, I'll
Bunny.
let you in. Give me a second.
Yeah, y'all can keep talking.
All right, go ahead and
All
move
right.
outside.
I do want to state one thing real
Why
quick.
is the cop in here? Can the cop go outside?
Yeah,
This
he's
is
going
not his
out.
job. Oh, okay.
I do want to state one thing real quick.
Yes.
Unauthorized removal and retention of classified documents is a fine up to $250,000 or 5 years in prison.
Well,
talking
you are
about?
the
Well,
DA. You can file any indictment you wish. The court will review it.
well, Your Honor, I would say that one, it's not unauthorized because they did add
Right.
Troublefield to
And did.
that email chain,
And
although
you
it may
will
not have
argue
been
that,
intentional.
right? And you argue that once it comes up in court. Looks like we got another court case.
It
Now,
looks
let's
like
get
we might
back to
have a
this.
corruption case. They keep playing.
Yeah, because you know they
Let's
playing with
get
that
back
when
to
they
this.
literally let us in
Now,
there.
Okay,
Playing with us.
Mm-hmm.
y'all understand that I believe in fairness. I don't care who I'm related to, associated with, who's my friend or foe. Fair is fair and right is right. If it was Mama, I'd throw her black ass under the jail.
All right, take him up to the
Well, you
station.
starting to sound like the DA.
And is
Take him to the station.
justice. Now, was I think that the problem is, Judge, did you say what you're being accused of saying?
Why are you guys sitting here?
DA,
You're not supposed to be sitting here.
I'm sorry, Bunny,
No,
Mm-hmm.
you're not
what
supposed to be
is
sitting here. You're supposed to be
the
sitting in
point
this
of contention that the defense has
Sir,
with what
I
was
need you
in
to get
those
out from that
emails?
seat.
Your
You
Honor,
gotta sit in that seat
after
and
the
be
request
forced to
for the
get
warrant
out
was
of that seat.
made, not only did the
Thank
judge
you.
not
You just
give
go
the
sit in the same
affirmative
seat,
at
please.
that time, but he said that a stronger case can be built. Um, and he said we need more evidence. So at that point in time where it was requested, they did not have substantial evidence as per the email. And he says that there, we need more evidence. And then the judge says, I think a stronger case can be built. We think that that particular line there, I think a stronger case can be built. It does not give the affirmative for the warrant,
Yo,
one. And
yo, real
two,
quick.
to say, why the fuck is he in
No,
here?
I'm letting y'all know y'all should go on whisper because everybody can hear y'all.
That's
All
okay.
right,
They can
Okay.
literally
hear us. They
everybody.
need
I don't give a fuck.
I'm fine. We're fine
They
with
need
it.
to
Okay.
learn.
It's okay because we're not inside. It's fine.
Can we lock him
Continue.
out?
No, we cannot lock him out. He's fine. Continue.
Jesus. I don't like him.
I like
Anyways,
him.
I don't like him.
Mm.
But to say I think that there is a stronger case can be built without giving a confirmation for the warrant at that time. It seems as if he is encouraging prosecution instead of him just approving the warrant, as if he's working with the prosecution and not acting as judge. This particular email chain, um, just to say, I still haven't seen the evidence from the DA, Your Honor, and I still haven't
Understood.
seen the actual search warrant, Your Honor. And also, Your Honor, the search warrant doesn't say that we haven't heard the particulars of that search warrant and whether or not it includes surveillance as well as the search warrant. And it has been said that PD surveilled our client to obtain some of that evidence. So that is a problem as well that I would like to bring up.
Officer DA, and Judge, well, let me ask Judge, did you sign off on a surveillance request?
I did not.
Yeesh.
What?
All right, so that will remove all surveillance evidence from trial. It will not be able to be permitted. Now, as far as the search warrant is concerned, when you signed off for the search warrant, were you being biased? Matter of fact, if you could just answer to the allegations that's coming from the defense's side about you being more on the prosecute, trying to prosecute and help the officers build the case as opposed to being objective.
No, my context behind that was what they told me, hey, this is what we want. This is what we have. This is what we want. And I'm like, okay, well, I think a stronger case can be built. But they didn't get a approval off of that.
So as of August 4th, they had no approval.
I don't think they have a bias. I don't think that's a bias.
So where's the search warrant? He just said it wasn't approved. Where's the search warrant?
Search warrant was approved on
I didn't ask when it was approved. I said where is it? I haven't seen
The
it.
4th, later on that day.
Where
Okay.
is? Do
Later
we
on that
understand?
day.
Like where? Where is it? Where can I see it? Where is the confirmation?
They said that was into emails
I do not see
under
that.
evidence.
I need access, or because that's why I keep saying where. Do we understand the word where? Is there a comprehension issue here? Where?
No. I was sitting there the whole time. They said, "Hey, it seemed like Troublefield had the
Okay.
whole thread, so
Where? Where?
I believe he should
Where?
have coached you up on that.
Okay,
Maybe
but
be
I'm
a second
asking you
chair."
now. Oh, do you understand English? Because I said you where, not Troublefield's not in here. Do you see him? Troublefield,
I don't owe you any.
Troublefield. Where's
I don't owe
Trouble?
you
I don't.
any
Oh,
evidence.
oh.
I don't owe you any evidence.
You don't owe me any evidence, Your Honor.
No, I don't. I don't owe you any
So
evidence.
the DA was asked over 20 minutes
I'm not
ago to
withholding.
produce.
One, I'm not on the case. I was
Your
called as
Honor.
a witness.
Your Honor.
I'm actually volunteering.
Well, I just said in general where, and I did ask the DA where, and again I keep saying where, but no one is telling me where. It has not been produced yet. And Troublefield also says that he has not seen the where for the search body cam as well as the search warrant. So where?
All right. DA, Ms. Rodriguez, can you send me the search warrant? A copy of
Say
the
again?
search warrant. Can you send me a copy of the search warrant? Is it a file like a Google Doc?
Again, like I said, the city is still kind of new, so we don't have the.
So how is it approved if you don't have a warrant?
It's approved through emails. It's just. Hey,
So
Judge.
where is the approval?
At the bottom of the thread.
Okay, so with an approval at the bottom of the thread, I keep saying where, and I don't see anywhere where it says Judge Mathis approves and a date. So again, does anybody understand the word where?
I understand what the fuck you're
Rissa?
saying.
It's
You keep
actually
saying-
posted. It's posted
Really understand.
in the emails where you have access to. I just posted, even though I don't have to. But I
Well,
guess I'll do.
okay,
I guess I'll do
not
your
too
job.
much.
I'll do your
You're
job.
not doing my job. Keep saying the word where because I don't have access to the the PD cord. I've asked for that a few times. So where is it in the PD cord that I don't
It's
have
not-
access
it's-
to?
it's
Is
in
that
the-
where?
It's in the main court. It's in
Where?
the main court under evidence. Tony Montana trial.
Oh, thank you. You see when you ask where and people give you directions on a location? Thank you.
All right, everybody calm down. I think it's time for us to remember that we're all here because we want justice. Although we're on opposing sides, we all want the same thing. So before tempers get flared, let's just remember why we're here.
Your Honor, after reviewing the search warrant, the search warrant says I will sign off on a search warrant of his home if you find anything. And then it says bet. Let me find a template for the warrant, but you guys are good to go. So the judge basically says that he will put it in a document written, but he never does that. And then above that, it just says we'll sign off a warrant on his home. Where's the confirmation that this home that was searched was even Mr. Montana's? Where is that?
Mm-hmm. It's in MDT. Whenever you buy a home, we are.
Okay,
we get
so
the
where?
address of said person.
The same word again. Where? Because
It's
I
not
asked
like
for that
I
as
just
well.
said MDT.
I don't have access to that. Where could you put it in there?
I got
I
it.
believe if you think
Thank
about
you,
MDT,
thank
you'll
you.
be able to see.
I don't have the roles.
You should try
where?
to look up MDT.
I don't have the roles. Do they? Am I speaking
Someone
English?
give her the role of attorney?
Is it English here?
Do you not have it?
I'm about to.
Is it Spanish? Am I speaking Portuguese?
Yeah.
I know I've been practicing my Portuguese, but god damn it. What language? Is it English?
Now, Bunny, I would.
Did you call me a puta?
Bunny, I would
Is that what
like
he just
for
called me a
you.
What
puta,
I'm
Judge?
about to send it up right now.
The
Now,
frog
Bunny,
face
I'll give it a sec.
DA.
hold on. Everybody's been calling everybody names in here. I got
can call
called the
him a bitch.
bald-headed hoe about 3 times
I
today.
mean, you did.
Now,
You did.
let's
Yeah.
all thicken up our skins. Now, Bunny, allow the city some grace. You were just brought onto this literally 10 minutes ago. They have no knowledge of you. They did not know you were the attorney or the second chair. So allow them
Definitely
some
not the way
grace.
she was dressed.
Ooh, Not too
Don't
much.
worry. Don't
And the
don't
way
worry
he
about
was
her
saying
blush.
blush,
I'm here to be an attorney now.
All right, all right,
because
all right, all right, all right, all right. Let's get back to
because
it.
Your
Focus,
Hey,
Honor,
focus,
Judge,
the DA was
focus.
wearing a
Yes.
a
do
cutaway
you want
hat
me
with a
to send him up to the station? The officer's asking. He's in the back of the squad car.
Send who up to the station? Troublefield?
Yeah,
Yeah, we'll be down there to grab him
yeah.
right after this.
They said
All
yeah.
right.
Leave him in the cells.
So he's gonna be mad as
Could
fuck.
we? Can I get a screenshot of the MDT
Yeah, I
in that
got you right
chat,
now.
please?
They're
I'm about
gonna
to
give
send
you
it.
I
access. He's
appreciate
gonna
you. Someone with
hold
some kind
on,
of competency.
hold on, Bunny. They're gonna give you the role so that you're able to see the MDT. Now, all of
Perfect.
that is moot if we decide that the warrant was not executed. So, Judge, I'm gonna ask you a very important
All right,
question.
so
Okay.
Did you find the time to execute that document, the template?
Negative.
Okay,
However, just like I did not find the document to give you to subpoena me to be here.
understood.
But
Well,
I
Your Honor,
also
he just
told you
said
what's
he was
coming.
here by his free will. He didn't say he was
Free.
subpoenaed.
Well, actually,
So why
I
is the
was in.
subpoena needed if he was here by his free will?
I was here in the courtroom, and they said, "Hey, I need to see Judge Mathis."
And you came willingly,
Said,
no subpoena needed, right?
exactly. Exactly.
Okay, so that there was no paperwork needed if you come of free will.
Okay.
Moving on, the warrant was not in writing.
Okay.
He does have you across the ropes with that one.
Okay.
Without the written warrant, it
hmm
makes everything else that came after it fruit of the poisonous tree.
Okay.
Now, what I will say that this is an entire clusterfuck. A lot
Big
of
cluster.
things were a lot of things were done wrong on both sides.
Yeah, I feel like this should be rescheduled to a later date. It'll give Miss Boney time to look over the
Bunny,
evidence. Bunny time to look over the evidence. And better prepare herself. Like I said,
oh,
hereby
I'm not prepared.
not at
Oh,
all.
Well, I would
well,
say I don't
You
think
you
anyone
you
is
you're
prepared on
still
either
asking for
side.
evidence on the
it's an
day.
evidentiary hearing, smartass. Do you know what that
Yeah.
is? When you review
Yeah.
evidence together, right?
But the
Right?
evidence you just like
Right?
Troublefield was able to review evidence before he came in.
Is
He
my
was
name
very
Troublefield?
he was very knowledgeable on
Okay,
what was
he
going
was
on.
very knowledgeable. I'm a different person, and
And
this was
that's
the
why
evidentiary hearing.
and that's why I'm telling you maybe
Oh,
you
thank
need
you.
time to look over.
She wasn't
Don't call
spot
me
on,
baby.
so how about
Don't
she
call
not?
me baby.
All right,
But
everybody, retire to your corners. In the interest of justice, what I would like to do is I'm going to call a mistrial. There are errors on both sides all over this thing. And what we will not do is have our court officers, judges accused of misconduct or corruption simply because they're trying to put their city together in haste while fight against what is perceived to be criminal activity. What we're going to do from this point forward is all of us is going to get our respective shit together. I'm going to work closely with the police department, the judge, and the governor to make sure that the processes are known, valid, and simple to follow. I'm also going to work with the defense side for the city to make sure that all citizens understand their rights under the law. There's no reason for this to go this way. We're going to get organized and we're going to get it together. Do I have everyone's cooperation with this?
Yes, you do. I just would like to say kind of what you
Yes.
said, how you're gonna work with the police department. You don't want to be looked at or frowned upon about that. You know.
I
Just
represent
be careful.
justice.
Just be careful
I
of those
understand.
words. I guess that's why I'm here.
what?
I
Yeah.
understand.
What
But I do
words?
Be
represent
careful.
justice and we are one body. We are here to protect the citizens. Whether they hate
Yes,
us or
ma'am.
love us, it is what it is. It's not a city
Yeah.
that I don't step foot in, that I am not assassinated and loved. So I got the tough skin. I'm ready and I'm with the shits and shenanigans, but we will get this city together. We will protect our citizens
Thank you so
and we
much,
will
Judge.
provide justice and restitution. Even for those that are guilty, we will provide them a way to become fruitful citizens. This is their
I'm
city
about to
too.
put you to sleep. Come on.
Your Honor, I do want to say something. There have been um a few citizens that have come forward with concerns about corruption among PD. This is not an accusation. This is a concern that we are bringing forward. Me as a impromptu attorney on behalf of the citizens. Some citizens have said that PD has spoken about setting people up, quote unquote. Now, again, this is a citizen
Allegedly.
coming to me allegedly saying this, and I do want to bring it to the DA and the judges here. So that they can address said concern and make sure that the officers know that quote unquote setting somebody up is not only inappropriate behavior, but it is corruption, and can cause us to question the entire force, and many of the trials done if we are found or if we find substantial evidence that this is occurring.
Let
I'm
the
not cutting
people
you off.
of our fair city know that if they're going to accuse one of their fair
It
officers
wasn't
of
a
corruption,
accusation.
all
I'm
right.
just saying it's a concern.
I'm
But
not
if
cutting
they
you off.
have that,
I have a question. So when you say that the police officer is setting them up, give me an example.
I
like
said
sprinkling
a
some crack on
citizen.
them.
Yeah, I said a citizen had concerns that they heard a PD officer say that we are going to set them up. Um,
What do you mean
and
by set up, though? I'm not
well,
trying to
I don't know.
attack
I
you. I'm
think
just
that's a
trying to
question for the
understand.
officers, right? To make sure that the term set somebody up isn't being used when, even if it is an official police investigation, that terminology shouldn't be used. So whether it be corruption or misspeaking, the terminology of setting anybody up shouldn't be used.
The terminology that I've been aware of in the PD is no one's ever used the word setup. It's more like a confidential informant, which is legal to do. Never
Well,
heard the
even
term
if
setup.
somebody is working as a confidential informant, if somebody's saying that they're setting somebody up, that would throw your whole case out if that's recorded. So I'm just saying it
And
is a
let's make
concern.
sure that if someone is saying that and they don't have proof of it, it is hearsay. That is a huge accusation to throw. So if our
Oh, don't
citizens
worry, I'll
are
get the proof.
feeling that way, they would provide that proof. Now,
Exactly.
if they feel like they want to try to sue the police department, they have to start their process with internal investigations through the commissioner of the police department. If the commissioner finds that it is worthy to be pushed up to court, then that's what will happen.
I am not asking for any official charges be put against PD, nor are we suing. I am
I'm
bringing
just
forward
letting,
concerns from the community. That's it.
got you. Let the community's concerns be concerns, but don't we don't want to state them too publicly because it's quite harmful if that's not what happened and there's no proof of it. The contention between the people and the police has to stop. Police are here to protect and serve our folks. If there are dirty cops amongst us, we're going to get them out. But from what I've seen so far, every one of them has been cooperative, nice, and wanting
Are you sure
justice.
about that?
I said that I've seen, that I've come in
Mm.
contact with.
Taking all my money. I ain't gonna make class.
Ooh,
Approved. You're free.
Sanction 2 weeks.
all right. So this is a mistrial. This case is done. Everyone understand and agree?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
That young
Never
man
want to
is
be a
free to
lawyer
go.
again.
That young man is free to go. And
All
DA,
right.
we're going
My
to get
baby
everything
cousin.
together.
Hey. Look at God. God is good.
Lord.
He
Now,
definitely
DA,
is. Look at his
we're going to
work.
work
Look at his work.
together. Let's have a meeting tomorrow so that I can begin to understand what you're up against, what you're facing, and what's needed. I started out as a defense attorney, so it's pretty much the same in every city, but it seems like you guys have a particular set of challenges here. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am. This is my first time actually being DA. I'm usually just on. My cousin is usually just in the streets dealing with reports
Understood.
or yeah.
Look, listen.
So I am very well adept at training DAs. So
We got you off by a mistrial.
I'll get you together.
Acknowledge it.
You've connected with me
But
in the ease. So I'm going to send you some
we didn't
stuff.
say that. Look,
But remember,
we didn't say that.
as a DA,
Allegedly.
You get to file charges for whatever you want to file charges for. Just make sure that when you do, that your police officers have proper reports, evidence is in sync, that you have your warrants. I'll make sure that you have the proper documentation and templates for your warrants, subpoenas, and all of that stuff. I'm the judge. I'll be signing off on anything that you guys need. Just make sure you have the proper evidence for it. All right. So you
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
run up against this problem again.
So we're no longer going through Judge Mathis, correct? I just want to make this clear, and Commissioner is here as well. So
That is
just to make it
correct.
clear. Okay. So
Judge
all
Mathis has turned everything over to me.
okay. So all warrants, surveillance,
Mhm.
raids, it's all going to be going through you.
All through me.
Okay.
Okay. The brand of that we go under is Reality Court. I'll also give you guys some more information on that. But anything you guys need, let me know. Day or night, I'm always available to you guys. I'll be here on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Anybody that you arrest, understand that they have to get an arraignment. If I'm not in the city, if it's not a Tuesday or a Thursday or an emergency, you charge them 10% of their bail and you put an ankle monitor on their ass. You have ankle
Judge,
monitors?
can you
Yes, ma'am, we
import
do.
them to continue talking, please?
Okay. Do y'all have ankle monitors?
Yes, ma'am, we do.
Great. If someone's arrested, ankle monitor, if they didn't murder a police officer, I don't care what they did. If they didn't murder, I don't care how much drugs they was caught with, give them 10% of your fee. That's for y'all. And put an ankle monitor on them. And then you let me know someone's arrested. You give me their name and case number so I can look it up in the MDT when I get here. I'll put them on the docket for their arraignment. I'm going to send you all of this in writing so that you have it. But I'm just, letting you guys know the process now.
Actually, do you think you could maybe put that in the email so every officer knows?
Yes.
We're gonna have a meeting after this, Commissioner, and I want to speak to everybody in PD.
Could you end court, Judge, real fast so everybody can leave before it gets any
Oh,
more crazier?
my bad.
Thank you.
Everyone, this has been declared a mistrial. Tony Montana is free to go. Court is now adjourned. This has been declared a mistrial. Tony Montana is free to go. Court is now adjourned.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Judge.
Can somebody carry me outside? I'm sick of this bullshit.
All right, officers.
Yeah, Commissioner,
I'm
if we can
back.
get all the officers to PD. we
Yo,
need to have a
all
meeting.
officers come into the judge's room.
No, go just. Oh, okay.
Yeah, they can come in here and
So
then go to
awesome.
the station and get trouble field.
Oh
Yeah.
shit! Maybe we should go to the station actually.
Yeah, let's go
we
to
can
the
have a-
station.
Yeah, actually,
Yeah.
everybody meet station. Everybody meet station.
Wait, you're not really.
Hey, beautiful. How we get out of here?
If you want, I can give you a ride.
Yes, please.
You heard?
Yeah, I'll be with you, Commissioner.
All right, let's go.
Sounds like a plan.
Oh God.
Oh, Rissa, come with
we,
me.
Are we going home right now?
No, Rissa, come with me
Hold on. Wait, where are we going?
to the police station. We gotta get trouble. Yeah,
Why are you getting in a PD car?
Where are we going?
because I gotta head to the. God damn it.
Wait, why is
Oh,
she?
you breaking in people's stuff?
Well,
Oh my
me and
God.
OG gonna go to the house. Come on,
Okay,
well,
I'll meet you. We'll meet you
okay.
at the
Why is
house. We gotta go get trouble.
He flew out. He flew out.
Okay.
He left.
Who flew out?
He
We
left.
still gotta go to the PD anyway because
Okay.
we gotta
Okay.
we gotta meet with them.
Oh shit! I forgot about Trey Dion. He can tell him to go home. And go home. Hello. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. Oh, you can fly out now. I have to go with Boogie. You can fly out. We have to go to the police department. We're at the police department handling business right now. Somebody got arrested? Oh shoot. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot all about you. Sorry, everything happened so fast. But yeah, we'll talk, and then I'll have to tell you everything, like what do you do before court and all you're in court and all that. I'm gonna get a little list of things I'll
Oh,
send to
not
you.
them locking us out.
All right.
Upstairs.
Oh no, I'm flying. We flying after this. We going home. Hmm.
Do you want me to
Nice.
get Mr. Chubfield?
I think
You
he
can
flew
let
out
the
Okay.
already.
commissioner know that we're
All
upstairs
right.
in the training room.
Okay. Bye bye.
On the radio.
All right.
We're not pressing charges against Troublefield.
Cause why would we be doing that? That's crazy. He's our family.
The one upstairs or downstairs?
Oh shit! Oh!
Oh, he said he's coming back right now.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No, he punched me and then he pointed at the
Did you
fucking
put your hands
sky.
on
He did.
Lord.
I did. I ain't tried.
You know I'm gonna get my lick back.
My
You know I'm
apologies.
gonna get
You
my
can get it
fucking
back.
lick back.
You can get it back.
It's okay. Where
Mm.
did we go?
Lord
Let's go.
Jesus.
Come
Jesus.
on.
I know that's right, cousin.
Shit.
That ass.
She can
Mhm.
Okay, look at me squared
That
up.
ass. Okay.
She wants like Clarissa Shields. Shit.
Ooh. Yeah, we don't
You
play
better
well.
believe it.
We do this on a day off, okay?
God
We do
damn.
this. Gotta be able to put
Obey and
hands
Just all the PD
survive.
that's on.
Lord.
Knock me back at that 77.
Hey,
It's just them two
gentlemen.
on.
I did not drop that.
See him. I'm sorry.
Now that's a
Okay.
big ass brick.
Yeah,
man. Tommy dropped it.
I did not. Look at a cigarette. You just pulled out of your ass. Like,
Okay, Trouble's back. I told him we're here.
Okay.
Well, this is more of a meeting for just PD and for a judge.
Mhm.
It's nothing has to do with the trial.
Right. So,
He said he's in the
guys, I
cell.
want you guys to. Okay, we're gonna
Yeah,
get him
Tommy,
out
you
in a
were-
second.
Can you get him out the
We'll get him out the
You
cell
can-
after the
That's my
meeting.
fault,
After the
yeah.
meeting.
me too.
Okay.
No,
Yeah,
no.
if you don't mind, ma'am, just step out. This is a meeting for PD. This has nothing to do with the trial.
Oh, no, no, no,
well,
no,
she
no.
told me to
She
come.
Oh.
I'm with her.
So Rissa
Oh,
is
okay.
our. She's our court clerk, and she's
Oh,
also
okay.
the
Director.
director of the DOJ program that's coming. that
Okay,
we're
okay.
Coming. So initially, well, let me just say hello to everyone. My name is Boogie XR, and I'm the creator of Reality Court, and that is where we come into a city that needs us and we establish your justice system for you. I initially came in because of this court case. It just came in to kind of help on the defense side. And then we saw that you guys kind of, I was asked to take over and to bring the program here. This is my favorite part of it, is working with the police department, because oftentimes people think that the police and the court system are supposed to be at odds. Actually, we're one body and we work together to protect the citizens, right? And to punish and rehabilitate the criminals. It can get tense, tempers can flare. My job is to make sure that it doesn't, or try to alleviate some of the stress that you guys feel while allowing you to do your jobs and get justice for the citizens. The first thing is that we do run by the Constitution of the United States in the dreams. We do meld it to make it work for roly poly. Make sense, guys?
Yeah.
So far, everything's okay, good. So the first thing.
Yeah, can you repeat that for me real quick?
Sure. What I'm saying is that this program goes by the Constitution of the United States in the dreams. Our job with Reality Court is to make sure that that melds well with the fantasy of roly poly. So we make the actual law work for RP. Make sense?
Yes, yes.
Okay. A lot of things are the same because you guys are semi-serious. So that means that if you arrest someone, don't send them up to jail immediately. You guys had the right idea. Bring them to court. I love that you guys are doing that.
I don't mean to cut you off, but I'm about to fly out. I have to wake up early as fuck tomorrow. I'm about to go to bed with my wife, so
No worries. They'll fill you in.
yeah, commissioner's coming in right now, so
Okay.
How do we get a license? What this license?
So
we do?
everybody
I
that
can give
gets
it to you here.
arrested,
Okay, thank you.
everybody that gets arrested has to get an arraignment. They are to be given due process, and that's basically the basis of it. And then we handle it from there. You guys do your arrest, you do your investigations, you run down the criminals, you do it all. Once you arrest them and process them, they belong to us, and we are an extension of you. So when they get
Understood.
arrested, you take your 10% of their total fine and put it in your coffers, however y'all distribute that. And then you put an ankle monitor on them. They're added to the docket, and they have to appear at the next court date. Court is Tuesdays and Thursdays for now, unless we see that you
Okay.
need a little bit more. That ankle monitor does not get off of them unless they come and show up for court. If they do not show up for court, I will issue what is called an FTA warrant, failure to appear. On that warrant will be increased time and fines that they are to pay. I'll send that over to you guys. You send your jump out boys, and then y'all find them, catch them, send them up.
Is it me? Are they? I don't hear them.
But it also allows them that opportunity to show up in court for themselves
Don't
and
let
allows
me.
them due process. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Right. So if somebody gets arrested on Sunday, they get
Bill.
bail, ankle monitor, and their name is put on the docket for Tuesday. If they don't show up on Tuesday to stand to enter their plea, FTA warrant. And let's say that if the charge was for like 100 months, I'm going to double that to 200 on that FTA warrant. And I'm also going to double the fee because now y'all got to go back out, y'all got to find them and do all that other stuff. Had he appeared in court, he might have got way less or just community service, right? So the court will work for folks if they show up. They'll get a much less sentence. They don't show up, they get double the fine, double the time.
Yeah.
We keep track of absolutely everything in a specialized docket. We do have a space where citizens can open a ticket if they need a defense attorney or if they're on the docket. I'll send all of these things to you. You'll find that we're highly organized and efficient, and we will work as an extension for you. Oh my God, the baby about to fall. He needs some milk.
Yeah, this
Yeah, he needs
fucker
some
Ray
milk.
over here hit me with a goddamn car.
All right, so that's about it to get started. Do you guys have any questions for me, Arissa?
No questions at all.
Explain that wonderfully.
I just want to know if you're going to maybe put it either in my emails or up in the PD emails. That's the only question I really have, so I can put it
Whatever
out for everybody to know.
I think it should come from you because you are their boss. They don't know you.
Mhm.
So I'm going to send you everything and
All right, cool.
we'll coordinate it. Can you DM me right now? Do you have my personal DM?
Yeah, I already sent you up some pictures of the evidence earlier.
Excuse me, sir. Can you help me
Okay,
out
good.
with the website?
Yeah.
Oh yes,
sir?
yes.
Okay, let me
Meet me downstairs.
Okay, let me follow you.
Excellent.
Thank you.
All right. And I think that's all. I'll get out of your hair and get started organizing for you guys.
All right, but whatever like you need in the PD Discord, just let me know. I'm gonna end up probably making this just a specific spot for PD.
Okay, perfect. We do run our own
I mean,
Discord for the Department of Justice. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right. I'll send you those links. You'll also have a private channel with me in there so that we don't have to be in each other's DMs. I know how girlfriends can be and all that other stuff. So, yeah,
No, you're good.
we don't want anybody getting, sassy over some pixel shit.
What's going on,
I
everything?
feel you.
All right. Officer, you did a wonderful job today.
Oh, me?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate that.
Good.
Listening to
Now,
the boss.
as far as my brother Troublefield is concerned, we fight all the time. He is an excellent attorney. We always hold his ass in contempt. He does go hard for his clients. I never want charges pressed against him. That's the only thing that I demand. We take him
Okay.
down to the cells, let him cool off for at least 3 minutes, bring him back up, and repeat and wash as necessary. Repeat and rinse. Okay?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
All right. All right. Other than that, okay, let's get my brother out these cells.
He's outside right now.
He is? Okay, good. I'm going to go punch him in his face. He'll keep getting stuck.
Okay,
Where we
okay,
going?
okay.
Which way do we go?
I got y'all off the door.
Okay.
Jordan, they let out Troublefield?
Yes.
Yeah, they let out Troublefield.
Okay, thank you.
It's around the corner on the side.
I was going to get my weapons license, but apparently I have to get my ID from the courthouse, which
Yeah,
nobody ever told me. So yeah.
hey Jordan, the courthouse is still unlocked so she can get her ID. Nah, usually it's unlocked. Yeah, he says it's gonna meet you up there.
Yeah, I don't have a car. Do you have a car, Boogie? I don't have a car.
Not yet.
Nope, never have a car. They were supposed to give us cars, but we never got around to that.
I'm sure they
Oh
will.
well, I guess I'll have
Remember, we
to
still
try
new.
another day.
Let's give
What
them a
time are you
little
guys usually in
time.
here?
Y'all so impatient.
Commission usually somebody be in the morning as well.
Okay.
But usually, midnight, 7:30, 8:30.
Okay,
Sometimes,
thank you
but
so much. I
usually
appreciate
somebody's
you.
in here though. No problem. Y'all take care.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much for
All
All right,
coming
take
out
care.
today. All right.
All right, and y'all be safe out there now.
Yeah, you too. Thank you.
Hmm.
Hey, where's Trouble?
I'm trying to see right now. I think Ren went back to the house. Let me see if he's in town. No, he flew out. He definitely flew out.
Again?
Yeah. He said he'll meet us in a call.
Okay.
Check where Grim's at. Where are you? Where are you at? You guys are at the house. Boogie, are we going to the house here?
No, I gotta fly out.
Okay, Boogie's about to fly out.
But don't have no hoes in the house.
He said, oh yeah, she said you got to give everybody the keys, he said.
Oh, he didn't put he didn't do the thing yet.
Oh, he didn't do it yet. Oh, yeah. I guess you handle that.
But when I fly in, I'll fly in tomorrow and we can take care of all that stuff.
All right, well, yeah, I guess I'll see you at home or whatever.
Okay, I'm about to jump in the call.
Yeah, I don't know what happened. Yeah, I'll meet you at home. I think Bunny went home too. All right, bye.
All right, bye.
All right, see y'all later. Bye, y'all.
Bye.
Bye, officers.
Have a good night. I promise.
I can't go help him. Get in the car with him.